Hey, you remember that wood that I was telling you about for a desk? Very simple desk that somebody gave to me? And I told you I was going to have some more videos for you on the way. Well, as usual, I got carried away. So instead of showing you the videos of me making it, I'll show you the video of it done. Okay? Alright, so as you can see, it's just a very simple desk. Two shelves on one side, pine on the bottom. I found some pine with some really nice knots in it because I thought I really like knots. There it is, side. You can see it's a really simple desk. But the top is made of mango, which is quite a hard wood and it's really tough to sand. They wanted a very simple desk, so what you can see is I just made a slot for a cell phone and for the cables that can go behind it from the laptop. And I was looking for the rustic style, so I like seeing the dowels on the top, as you can see. I sent dowels of the same material of mango wood right through the top, made a pattern of it, came down through here, and as you can see, it's a semi-gloss finish, not a high gloss, okay? I had fun making it, and they're friends, so it's worthwhile.